Hello, good evening. My name is Ajay Balbim Devde. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BE in JSS Sony College. And today's video topic is string and strings methods. The first we can see the what is meant by strings. The string is a collection of the similar number of character sequence. It is means also so we can define as a string as a it is a character array. The first we can see the what is the use of the string and how to use the string in the Java. The first we see the string is a class. A string is a class. It is used into the Java. This is a we can create the string object by using to the string a is equal to new string. It is a created the string object, and it is we can create the two ways to declare the string. The first is by using letters, and then the second is by using new keywords. By using the letter we can create the string is a stored into the string constructor, and second is we can create the string is a we can create the string is a store into the by using new keyword is stored into the string constructors as well as into string constructors as well as into the heap memory. This is the use of the string. Then the other way we can create the string, and the different types of the ways we can use the string into the Java. The first we can see the first method into the string. This is the equal to method. This equal to method are used to the compare the present. It is used to compare the both are the string are same or not. It is a return type is a true, means once we can compare the all this character means all present the content in the string is compared by the this compared this to the contents, means it is a content are same, then it is provide the output to the in the form of boolean, means it is representing the true and false. Then we can use to the comparator operator. This is both are the same equal to method and comparator equal to. It is both are the operator same, but it is a functionality of the equal to change because of the equal to method is check the location of the both string, means first we can create the string are same is equal to second string string it location is check when the location is same both the string it is get the output is true, and it once and it is a location are different, then the show the output is false. It is also return type is true and false. And then we can use this third method is a concat method. This method we can create the two string are concatenated, means first we can create a string Ajay, and second we can take a string is Devde. Both are the string are concat by using to the plus operator into the Java. This will be concatenated to the output is both are the string are show into output. Then the third method is dot length. This method are used to the check the length of the string is present into string by using to the string. The other is index of. This index of method we can check the this index are present into the present into the string, means this location are show into the output. The contents of this contents of method are used to the find the contents are present into the string, means this constant are to present in the string. It is return the output is true, and once it is not present the content into to the string, it is return type is false. Then the other methods are used to the in the string like uppercase method are used to the convert the string into lowercase to uppercase, means once the string are all the string are in present into the lowercase, we can use to the string methods. We can changes to the uppercase to lowercase. And then second method used to the lowercase. We can use to the this method to the this method to use to the convert the string into the lowercase to uppercase to lowercase, means all these elements are converted into the lowercase. Then other is a compare to method. This compare to method are used to the compare the both the string are equal or not. And then once we can check the both are the string equal, it is a return output is a form of the 0, and once we can find the different into the any other character in the string, this is the difference are show you into the console. And then the compare to ignore case method. This compare to ignore case method are used to the compare to the with the ignore case. Compare to ignore case lexicography. This is the full form of the method. This is used to the compare the string into the ignore case. Now in this way we can compare the string, both are the string into the ignoring case. Then other way we can create the different types of the string buffer and string builders also used into the string class. This is the additional method are used into the insert method. This insert method we can insert the any character in between of the string. This is used to the insert method. And second we can use to the delete method. This delete method why used into only the string buffer and string builder. This delete method are used to the delete the any string and this is the string buffer and string builder. Using the we can create the string is a mutable. So it is all about to the string. So let's thank you and take care.